Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by protecting data and isolating faulty processes. Back up your important files now. Once done, reboot into safe mode so only essential services load. This reveals whether third-party software or drivers caused the issue. Make sure to note recent Windows updates and driver installs because you may need to roll them back later. If safe mode runs normally, you can progressively re-enable services to pinpoint the offender. If not, proceed with system-level repairs in the next steps. With safe mode confirming a problem, repair Windows core files using System File Checker and DISM. SFC fixes corrupted files, while DISM repairs the component store. Run them as administrator and let them complete. Next, remove any recently installed drivers or updates that coincide with the failure, because they often introduce instability. Once stability improves, create a new restore point to capture the healthy state. That way, you can revert quickly if future changes break the system. Then test normal boot, and if repair tools don't solve it, do an in-place upgrade using the current Windows ISO to reinstall system files while preserving apps and data. This fixes deep corruption. If that still fails, use Reset and choose to keep your files, which reinstalls Windows and removes apps and drivers. Choose Full Clean only for resale. Make sure to check Event Viewer and Reliability Monitor for repeating error codes. They guide targeted fixes. Finally, verify backups and reinstall security software before returning to normal use.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.